I wasted 8 months charging 20 cents per word because I thought I had to build experience first. That's what everyone says, right? Start low, prove yourself, then raise your rates. Except here's what nobody tells you. The clients who pay 20 cents per word will never be the clients who pay $1 per word. They're completely different markets, and you're training yourself for the wrong one. When I finally jumped to 75 cents per word, I didn't have any more experience than I did at 20 cents. I just changed where I was looking for clients. Instead of content mills and job boards where everyone's racing to the bottom, I started cold emailing companies that actually had marketing budgets. The rejection rate was exactly the same, but the ones who said yes paid 3 times more for the same amount of work. Here's the thing that actually matters. 31% of freelancers earn over $75,000 a year. That's not some guru's income claim, that's actual data. But most beginners never get there because they're stuck in this cycle of thinking they need more clips, more testimonials, more experience. You don't need more of anything. You need to stop applying to $5 article gigs and start reaching out to businesses who see writing as an investment, not an expense. The biggest shift for me was realizing that freelance writing isn't one job, it's 20 different jobs with completely different pay scales. Blog content for small businesses, that's 20 to 40 cents per word territory. Case studies for B2B SaaS companies, that's $1.50 per word, minimum. Same skill set, wildly different markets. Pick the market first, then build the skills they actually need. So if you're just starting, skip the race to the bottom, find 3 companies in an industry that interests you, check if they have a blog or content marketing, and send them a real pitch. Not, I'm a freelance writer, but I noticed your last article on X didn't address Y. Here's how I'd approach it. Half won't respond. That's fine. But the one that does will pay you what you're actually worth, not what you think you deserve as a beginner.